Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to check or view the activities that have been carried out on your workspace or your account on Trello. So to check the activities or to see any activities, all you gotta do is go to your home page first, and you gotta click on your profile icon, which is at the top right corner. You click on that, and you go to activity, which will be at the third. So you click there and right here. These are all the activities that have been carried out on your Trello account. If there are more, then you can click on load and the more will be loaded as well. So these are all the activities that have been carried out on my account. I've created a workspace called Login Designs and now another workspace called by Bat. So if you want to go into a single workspace and check out the activity, you can do that as well. You go into the workspace first and you go to the board that you have created or want to check on. So you click on this show menu button, and after you click that, all the activities will be shown right here. So if you want to view more, if there are more, you click on view all, and if there are comments as well, it will be shown here. And I believe I've taught you guys how to see activity or check activity on Trello. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.